Okay, now let's talk about the nudge offset. The nudge offset is in this property bar here. If you mouse over here, it says nudge offset. So the default nudge offset in CorelDraw is 0.01 of an inch. That's really a very small distance to nudge. Nudge is wherein, for example, I click on this square here and I want to move this using my arrow keys, in your keyboard, up, down, right, left in your keyboard. I want it to move it here, right? So I click on that and right now I'm moving it. It's very slow because the nudge offset is 0.01 of an inch. Now I can increase this, say for example, like here's an example wherein my page width is 20 inches. So from here to here is 20 inches. Okay, 0.01 of an inch is fine if you're using 8.5 by 11. But if you have like 20-inch width paper, right, and you want to move it using your arrow keys in your keyboard, it's going to take a long time to reach over here or to move an object. So I'm going to change that here to, let's say, every half an inch. So 0.5 of an inch here. Okay, so now you can see the difference right now if I click on that and there. Okay, so you can always change the nudge distance to a bigger distance or smaller distance. Okay, if I go back to 0.01, which is the default, and I use my arrow key, it will take me a long time to reach to my destination, which is in here. Okay, so make sure to change this one. I can even change it to 1 inch. So I move that 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So those are 1 inch movement right now. You can go up, down, keyboard 1 inch. So everything is 1 inch movement, and that's in this nudge offset.